Okay, so I just finished it, and now I'm going to finish the details for it. Sorry, I keep on making parts to the video. I just finished the squishy. Here's what it looks like. So now we're going to do the last final squishy. So, yeah, it's not going to be the similar squishy. I'm not doing the middle part for this squishy. And you guys have to guess what color I'm doing for this squishy if it's not going to be matching. If you guess blue, you're correct. So now I'm going to finally add some powdered sugar to these squishies, some scent, and then powdered sugar. So I'm going to go ahead and add the scent now. And the scent actually makes the squishy glitter more glittery. And then I'm going to use the clay to give it the squishy texture. No, not texture, but the feeling when you squish it. Gives the squishy a different feeling. So I'm just going to use that. Now the squishy feels a bit softer. I'm going to do the same thing to the other baby squishy. Come on, spray out. So now I'm just going to add the powdered sugar and we'll be done. So I added some powdered sugar. Well, baby powder, but it's actually supposed to resemble powdered sugar. So yeah, finished those. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, link, share, and comment. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.